Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I created the soft waves hairstyle that I posted on my Instagram and was reposted by a relaxed hair page. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so I'm starting with my hair in two sections. I'm going to apply my moisturizer. That's my Lottabody Curl and Moisturize Me Style Milk to my hair, and I also use some mousse as well. The one that I use for this is the Herbal Essences Totally Twisted Curl Boosting Mousse, and I just apply this to my hair. I already did one side, so I'm gonna do this. Just start by pulling my hair back and rolling it under. This is not like your traditional flat twist. This is super basic, so easy. Just pull your hair back, roll and tuck it under, and that's just it. I do it all the way to the end of the hair, and it's so easy guys, like literally it takes no time. It took me like 5 minutes not filming this. I just roll it around into a little mini bun, and then I pop a rubber band over it, and that is it. After this, I go ahead and of course protect my hair by putting my scarf over it, because you don't want to go to bed with your hair unprotected. And that's about it. Alright guys, so here I am gonna take this style down and finger comb my curls. I was getting ready for church here, so you guys are gonna see me style this, and the longer you leave your curls in, the more defined they are. My hair is super dark, so I did have to, you know, go different angles to show you guys the actual curls. And for a nice soft wavy look the following day, you guys can go ahead and just comb your curls out even further. I didn't really care if my hair was super defined or not. These were just some soft waves for church, and then I was gonna wash my hair after church anyway, so yeah. I'm gonna show you guys a close-up of the curls. Super soft, nothing too crazy, and this is a back view of it. And yeah guys, that is pretty much it. It's so easy. It will take you less than 5 minutes, I promise you. I would love if you guys recreate this. If you do, please post a photo on Instagram and tag me in it. I would love to see your styles. Thank you for watching.